Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Excited to show you a trick that worked for me on getting the flex plate thing on the back of the Ford Explorer 4.0 SOHC engine to stay on the little posts while putting it back into the engine back into the vehicle. If you like this and this is helpful, please like this video and maybe even subscribe. That'd be awesome. Let's jump in. All right, this Ford Explorer 4.0 rebuild project has, been a pain. Obviously, you got to pull the engine to get the rear timing chain cassettes and all that. So that's what I've been doing. I'm getting ready to put it back in, and I have been struggling for like 2 days to get the engine back in and get that plate that goes between the engine and the transmission to stay in place. There's the little pegs, and it just slides right off, and it doesn't stay on. So I've been trying all kinds of different tricks to try to get that to stay in place. Nothing's worked. Finally, I was like, ratchet straps. Let's try that. So let me show you what I did. All right, so here's that plate on the back side of the engine that has to stay in place. And it's got these posts, one on each side. It slides over those, which is nice to hold it in place, but it doesn't actually stay up there. It just slides right off. If you've been messing with this, you know what I'm talking about. So I tried fishing line, tying that with fishing line, thinking when this slides in, it'll just snap and go in. That didn't work. It kept falling. I've tried masking tape, but the metal sweats too much for the tape to stick. I don't know. I've tried grease, just greasing it and to hold it in place. None of that has worked. And so I just took a ratchet strap, being very careful not to, put any pressure on any sensors or anything like this. I'm underneath that. I hooked it right here on the corner, and then on this side, I was really careful about the position sensor here. Coming across, it's just on the top bolt that holds that in right there, but I think that's okay because that's pressure anyway. And then across here, and then I've got it the ratchet on this side, so that once I get it in, and because this strap is super thin, so once I get this in, I should be able to undo this, and then just I can even have these bolts started and have it kind of snug, and then I should be able to just pull that strap right out. So that's my goal for today. So we'll see how it goes, but fingers crossed and praying to the Lord that this works today. So let's see what happens. All right, well friends, the ratchet strap idea worked. Wrapped it up as I showed you before, and we were able to get it in and had no problems with that shield coming off the pegs. And so we've just got it bolted in almost tight around the top, so there's just enough room to pull this strap out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. That part out, and then this is just going to pull right on through, or it should. Oh yeah, look at that, awesome. So there we go, there's a secret, and I just proved it works on keeping that shield attached to the 4.0 motor when you're trying to get it back in. Might work on I don't know if other engines have that or not. This is the only one I've ever pulled, but maybe, if it does, maybe it can help you. Thanks for watching. I hope whatever project you're doing goes well, and just encourage you and say, you got this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got questions, feel free to comment.